Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the euro dollar monthly time frame, I'm definitely still bullish, even though the euro has been going down very strong. Maybe it will go down, take out the lows, maybe not. Either way, I still think eventually it probably is going to go up and either make it a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. So either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely turning into a very impulsive move down ever since we had European elections this last weekend. I mean, to me, it still looks like an uptrend. It still looks like it should be a wave one. I still think it looks like it should be an ABC of two. I mean, I still think there's a good chance this is a one, this is a two, and that it's eventually going to go up and make a wave three. But with how impulsive down it is on sort of time frames, I mean, we definitely are looking for sorts. So going down to the daily time frame, pretty much ever since we had a lower high back here, honestly, we should have been looking for sorts anyways. I'm definitely looking for sorts on sort of time frames, and you know what? If I'm wrong about this being an ABC correction and it just keeps on going down, and I'm looking for sorts on sort of time frames, it's definitely not really going to create any issues for me. As of right now, I definitely still see this as five waves up. I still see this as possibly a big expanding flat waves ABC correction. We are quite a ways past the 61.8, so I mean at this point it probably is pretty likely it will hit that 78.6. If it bounces from there very, very impulsively, then I would definitely take that as the end of a wave two, and I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But with how strong this is down, you definitely want to see some pretty good evidence that it's turning back up before you start looking for longs in an uptrend again. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it does look like it possibly could be a big one, two, three, four, and five, especially when you're looking at other dollar pairs. I mean, it still looks like one, two, three, four, five A. It still looks like three waves up for a B. It still looks like five waves down for a wave C. If it does make a very, very, very impulsive turn, then okay, I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I will start looking for longs again. At this point, it seems pretty likely that it's going to go down to 78 unless this turns into a big old spike candle, which at this point I kind of feel like that is the least likely scenario. So if it does do that, then I would start looking for longs. Otherwise, definitely looking for shorts on sort of time frame still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this is definitely one, two, three, four, five waves down. We are in a fifth wave, but the market can make many, many more than five waves. The market does like to make five wave and three wave patterns, but I mean, I often see sometimes, wave sixes and wave sevens, sometimes wave eight and wave nine. I still think there's a chance this could be a wave C. I would definitely still be looking for a reversal, but at this point I would expect it to at least go down to 78.6. Unless this turns into a big old spike, goes all the way up and takes out this high right here, I would be doing nothing but looking for shorts on anything below the 1 hour time frame. Otherwise, like I said, unless it actually does break this structure, I would be looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.